In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Temu error that asks you to try a different payment method. This can be a frustrating experience, especially when you're eager to complete your purchase. But don't worry, I'll walk you through a simple and effective solution. To begin, grab your phone and open the Temu mobile app. Make sure your app is up to date, as outdated versions can sometimes cause glitches. Now, if you're facing the Temu error, first thing you need to do is calmly exit to the home screen of your phone. We're going to take a look at some settings and try to resolve this without much hassle. Once you're on your home screen, find the Temu app icon, press and hold it for a few seconds until a menu appears. Depending on your phone model, this could either be a pop-up menu or a series of options around the app icon itself. What you're looking for here is the app info option, so go ahead and tap on that. This is where we can manage the app's settings. Here, scroll down and tap on storage and cache. This section allows us to manage the app's storage, which can be essential for troubleshooting problems. You'll see two buttons, Clear Storage and Clear Cache. For this fix, we want to clear only the cache, as this won't delete any of your personal app data, but it can clear out any corrupted temporary files that might be causing the error. So, tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any temporary data that might be conflicting with the app's functionality. After you've cleared the cache, exit out of the settings screen and head back to the Temu app. Open it up and try to proceed with the payment process that was giving you issues. With any luck, you should be able to complete your purchase without encountering the error. This kind of troubleshooting may seem like just a handful of steps, but clearing the cache is a well-recognized method for resolving many app-related issues. Regular maintenance like this can keep your apps running smoothly, so consider doing it periodically if you encounter similar problems in the future. So, there you have it, a quick and simple fix for that pesky Temu payment method error. If this solution worked for you, please let us know in the comments and consider subscribing for more handy tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!